Congratulations, you've just unlocked the world's smartest AI-powered ad creator. AdPresso AI, smart move. But what if I told you you could now take AdPresso from powerful to absolutely unstoppable? What if you could serve more clients, do faster, more effective split testing, run unlimited ad variations, land bigger projects, and look like the #1 ad expert in your niche, all without hiring a designer or a copywriter? That's exactly what you can do with AdPresso Template Club, your one-time upgrade to ad domination. As a Template Club member, you instantly unlock over 3,000 ready-to-use ad templates, all professionally designed, high-converting, and fully customizable. With this upgrade, your templates aren't just limited to Facebook and Instagram. You get ready-to-use creatives for TikTok, YouTube, Google, LinkedIn, Snapchat, all major platforms covered. Every single template is based on real ad data and platform-specific best practices. So you're not guessing, you're building ads that actually work. But that's just the start. You also get up to 100,000 brand new ad creatives every single month. Yes, 100,000. That means you can test more angles, run more campaigns, and keep your ads fresh so they never burn out. And because great ads need great words, you'll get 500 AI-generated ad copies every month, headlines, CTAs, and variations, all written to grab attention and drive clicks. But we're not stopping there. You'll also get 500 AI-generated targeting ideas every month. No more guesswork on who should I target. Now you'll have laser-focused targeting suggestions for every campaign, every time. And as a Template Club member, you'll also get priority support, so your questions and requests go to the front of the line every time. All of this comes with a full commercial license, meaning you can use everything you create for unlimited client projects and keep 100% of the profit. Now here's the best part. This is a one-time only upgrade. No monthly fees, no usage limits, no catches. You get 3,000 ready-to-use templates, 100,000 monthly ad creatives, 500 AI ad copies every month, 500 AI targeting ideas every month, priority support, full commercial license. One client project will pay for this upgrade, and then some. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Click the button below now to join the AdPresso Template Club and turn your AdPresso into a full-blown creative powerhouse for life. Let's build ads that perform, scale, and sell like never before.